Hello everybody, Justin here back with Aaron Sons Lawn Services. We got some packages in the mail from Amazon today. I think you guys would like to see. We're going to be doing some upgrades here in the shop, and I've got a few things to try out that we're going to do some reviews on and stuff like that, and I think you guys would like to see that. So first off, let's get to package number one. I hope everybody has had a wonderful Sunday, and you guys might be, some of you guys might be seeing this on Monday, so hopefully you have a great Monday. First off, we got a 10-pound spool of 035 flux core welding wire. I'm going to try this in my Hobart, my new Hobart that I got, and we'll see how that goes. If you guys like, I need to get an Amazon store set up, but if you guys like, we'll see. That's it, and I'll try to post a screenshot on here for the welding wire. See. Next off here, I don't remember exactly what this is. Oh yeah, I do. So I have a skill saw, and I need to cut some metal, and I don't have a big industrial chop saw. I would love one of them Evolution ones, and maybe someday I'll get there. But a video. Get inside. But I ordered a cheap one. I've used the Diablo metal demons in the past. Seem to have really good luck with them. But as times change, things get a little bit cheaper. So I ordered this one for my skill saw on Amazon. I'll link this in there too, but I'll link that metal demon one in there as well. That's a really good blade. I'm really confident in that one. I've cut a lot of material with that blade, and I've went through a few of them, so I'm trusting in them. But I figured this is worth a try for the price, considering it's almost $15 cheaper. No.
You're making a video?
Yes, sir.
I'm making a video.
And then we have... Go back inside, buddy. I'll be in a little bit. Dad's only going to be out here for 10 or 15 minutes.
Can I help you?
No. Just go inside. Then Dad'll be inside, okay?
You're making a video?
No, stay inside, please.
Making a video?
Yes.
Of your work?
And then I apologize for my kids. They just got out of the shower and we had supper, so they're gotta see what Dad's doing. But that's okay. Love them to death. I don't know what I would do without them. Okie doke. I think that's everything. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while because my workbench desperately needs some plugins. So I got the large power strip, so that way I can mount this directly to my workbench and have power. My plan is to upgrade my workbench and put casters and everything on it, so that way wherever my workbench is, I have power. Because I'm very limited on my outlets in this garage because I don't have a shop yet, which I'm hoping sooner than later I will have one, but we'll see how that goes. It comes with extra mounting brackets and stuff like that. But my hope is I can mount it right up underneath the back side of the workbench And I want to try to put a backsplash on it so that way when I'm welding on projects and stuff like that, it keeps it pretty well protected. But the last one, the big one, because I know what the 210 MVP is capable of, so it's kind of going to be a competition between the two. I know what that one will do, so we're going to see what this one will do. Running the same wire, same batch of wire even. I'll switch wire from machine to the next to make sure that it's a fair competition. And we're going to try it out. See how the settings and everything like that work. And regardless, I think I'll take one of them out to my in-laws' farm so that way I have a welder when I'm out there. It's nice to have one where you don't have to lug one back and forth all the time. So I think that's what'll happen, because we're going to be doing some work out there here in the near future. On nice days, I want to go out there and I want to start building hay bale feeders for cows again. I used to build them all the time, and they're pretty profitable for me. I just got to end up getting the materials to do it, which isn't very hard to do. So without any further ado, let's get into this. This is the Yes Welder MIG 205 DS Pro. I am excited. I've heard a lot of great things. I've read a lot of great reviews about it, and a good buddy of mine helped me decide on this one with some back and forth and talking and everything like that. That was before I even knew I was going to end up with that Hobart. So yeah, let's get this open and see what she looks like. So here we got the accessories box. Pull this down. Get this. This just showed up today. So like I said, I had no intentions on having two, but you know, maybe it'll just work out. Actually, if I like, I might be able to fit both of them up here, and I have a little plasma cutter that I got off of Amazon a while back that I might be able to fit up here too. I might be able to make this just a nice little welding cart, and I can have one setup for one size wire and one setup for the other, or one setup for gas and one setup for flux, so that way I don't have to change.
Can you come watch a movie?
I will in a little bit. I'm almost done. Okay, so in here we get the chart, different size rollers for different size wire. So that's pretty cool. We'll have to read through that and check and see what the difference is between the MIG 205 and the 210 MVP. So we have the 220 to 110 adapter. It comes with a gas hose, oh, I forgot, this will do a stick too. That's one up that the Hobart won't do, is stick. So we'll have to try it out on stick too. I'll have to go get me some 1/8 inch 6011 or 7018, and we'll have to try it out on 110 and see what it can do. I'm a little rusty on stick welding. It's been a hot minute, so it's going to take me a little bit to get familiar with that. And of course you got your ground, nice heavy duty ground. I like that. That's actually really nice, or that's really pretty nice. I have no complaints about that. And I like the fact that you can remove it and wrap it up if you want to. Let's see. So we got the hose, and then we have the So this actually comes with a so there's the gun. So broke down on here, it says MIG gun 10 feet, quantity 1, MIG gun tips, quantity 4, power adapter cord 1, electrode holder 10 foot 1. It's already got more on that because on the 210, because I think the 210 lead is only 8 feet, so you get a couple extra feet there. You get the 3 wire feed rollers, 0.0 or 0.8, 0.9, 0.9 to 0.1 or 1.2, 0.6 to 0.08. So W, U, and V feed wire rollers, and then graphite MIG wire feed liner 1, and one 8-foot gas hose. So yeah, it comes with an extra liner. So if you have to, you can put a new liner in your gun. That's actually really nice. And this comes with the Euro style connector here. So let's get this out. So yeah, pretty nice little gun. I like the Hobart, but this is really nice, a lot more ergonomic. I think this one I'll probably run gas on, just because I don't have the flux core tip and I don't want to plug all the gas ports on here if I decide I want to use that. So that's probably what I will do with this one. I'll initially run it with the flux core just to test it out. But you got to start somewhere. So, well, tomorrow I'll get in here and I'll get it all set up. I got the Hobart set up with wire run through it with the wire that it came with. So we'll get this one set up and I'll just put the 10-pound spool in it and we can compare apples to apples, because I need to start getting to work on I got to get better at talking at the camera. I'm talking at my work and not talking at the camera. So we'll get it set up and we'll get working on this jib. I want to try that saw blade out and everything like that, so we can get everything cut and done like that, and then we will go from there. So my kids really want me to come in and watch a movie, and I think I'm gonna oblige them. So for tonight, it's good night. Happy Sunday to everybody. If you're watching this on Sunday night, if you are watching this on Monday, happy Monday. And hopefully y'all have a good day back to work after the new year. It's a new year, new you, new start. And I wish everybody the best of luck on their goals. So thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we will catch you on the next one.